Well, good afternoon, dear students. This is just to show you the snapshots that I have included in the file where you have the first task, that is the first hands-on task we are going to do this year. In fact, what you can see is, let's say, a section of a textbook that belongs to Oxford. Now, my main aim is just to show you the different pages perhaps more closely, and why not point out some aspects that I would like you to pay attention to. First, I want you to take a look at the headings, how the instructions are signaled in a way, how much the visual input is important in all these activities. What about the length of the texts that the students are supposed to read, the colors being used? What else? The fact that vocabulary is in a way highlighted. And as you see the tasks, especially in the third page that I have selected, see the roles of the students when they have to do the different tasks. What are they requested to do? To what extent are they producing language? Is it real production or is it guided one? Is it meaningful? Do the students, let's say, attribute meaning and importance to what they are saying? Now, I'm also interested in the fact that you sort of think how you would conduct these activities and how you would check them, because that is an important aspect to consider. And before I do that, I wanted to share with you the audio to the reading input, which is not possible to be included in the files. So,
Page 10. Read. Amazing animals.
All animals can breathe and move, but they're different in many amazing ways. Here we look at how they are the same and how they are different. This helps us put them into groups. Birds. All birds have 2 legs, 2 wings, and feathers, and most birds can fly. The wings and feathers help them fly, and the feathers help keep them warm. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. They keep the baby birds inside safe from animals that want to eat them. Fish. Fish have gills to help them breathe in water. Scales all over their bodies help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to bite them. They don't have legs, but their fins and tails help them swim. Fish lay their eggs in water, and their eggs are soft. Amphibians. Amphibians are very interesting because they can live on land and in water. Amphibians need to have wet skin, so they live in wet places. They lay their soft eggs in water. They have gills when they're young, and the gills help them breathe in water. Most amphibians, like frogs, have legs that help them walk and jump on land. Mammals. Some mammals live on land, and some live in water. Whales are water mammals, and cats, rabbits, and lions are land mammals. Hair or fur covers most land mammals' bodies, and this helps keep them warm. People are mammals too. Mammals don't lay eggs. Their babies drink milk from their mothers.
well, I hope you find these materials interesting, and we're going to discuss this next class. Thank you.